Hi everyone, Tracy.bish here, your Stampin' Up demonstrator in Central Victoria, Australia. Welcome back to my channel. This video is coming out to you really late. It is the Sunday challenge for the 6th of November, and I thought I'd had voiceovered it and everything was ready to go, and it wasn't. So I come back from USA on Saturday, and we've come back crook. And you know what, I wasn't well enough to be able to do the voiceover once I'd worked out that it hadn't been done. So I'm feeling a lot better today. It's Wednesday, and I thought I would pop on, do my quick voiceover and show you my project for this week's challenge. I hope you'll join in. It's really easy to do. It is a sketch challenge, so you don't have to create a 3D project. You can create a card or anything you want using that sketch. Take a photo of it, then come over to my Facebook page and you can pop it in the comment section of that post. So please do, it's always fun to see what everyone creates. Now I'm using these envelope treat boxes. I think that's exactly what they're called, but let me have another quick look. These are available in the catalogue and available right now. Envelope treat boxes is what they're called. They come ready to go. They've got all the adhesive on them. They are perfect, and I loved the design. They're also food grade ready, so you can pop any treat inside that you would like. So I've grabbed one of our really great stamp sets here. It has lots of little designs and features in our stamps. These are the Yeti to Party photopolymer stamp set. I'm also using the celebration tag dies as well. So, and yeah. Anyway, all the description of all the products that I've used, you can find over my blog, so go and check that out as well. So I'm stamping these with Memento Tuxedo black ink. Because I'm using my stamping blends, we always use our Memento ink for that. It helps it to not wreck our pens or bleed or anything like that. So I've just stamped around the borders, making sure that it's the right way up once we pop the card together or pop the treat box together. And to create that fun part at the front, so our little holder, it's like a belly band, we're stamping in that beautiful little mittens, and now that is from the Celebration Tags bundle. And we've also got the Old Olive for our sentiment. So we're going to do a quick die cut of these. Now there is a bundle, but if you don't have the bundle, you can also just cut these out by fussy cutting them, which works really well. I've gone with very traditional colours for this project, greens and reds, and I wanted to keep it that way. I think sometimes I try and go out of the box a little bit, but Christmas, I love traditional, so that's what I've gone with. So this is a really simple little gift. It doesn't take long to put together. You can put lots of different things in there, including a gift card. So it would hold a gift card with some little treats inside as well. And it's just a perfect little gift. You don't even have to do the belly band if you don't want. You could stamp straight on the top. It does fold over a little bit, so whatever you have there you can use. So I've got some basic rhinestones here that we're just going to pop on the front, which just gives it that extra little bit of sparkle, and of course we're going to use dimensionals to pop them up. Like I said at the beginning, we've just come back from a holiday over in the US, and so we've had an amazing time. I'll tell you more about that as we go, but yeah, it's been a whirlwind coming back. Because we do own a business here, I've had to hit the ground running even though I'm not feeling well. So it's been fine, but I've left my social media by the wayside, and yeah, I haven't really been focusing on a few other things like getting better and resting, as well as just getting back to work with the business and making sure that everything's running fine. We've had a lot of problems here in INKY, Victoria, or in Victoria in general, with flooding, and we had a lot of issues while we were away, which you know, when things are happening at home, you worry about what's going on at home. So yeah, it would have been nice if it wasn't going on, but it's always hard when you leave family members in charge of your business, and then you've got family members that live in the same town, and yeah, so it was a lot of stress, but very happy that we're home and, you know, nothing was flooded too badly or anything like that. So still a lot of closures of roads around the area, but I think they're starting to fix up some of our roads around the area. So these boxes already come with the tape attached, so perfect for, you know, anyone out there. You're not doing too much, you're just sort of folding and scoring and popping it together. So like I said, you can fit a few things in here. I always love to give little treats, so you can always find some lollies. It's coming into summer and actually quite warm here. I wouldn't recommend chocolate, but maybe you're over in the cooler parts of the world for Christmas and you can get some lovely chocolates inside. So I'm using this ribbon combo. This comes in real red and garden green, I think. Yes, this is the real red and garden green ribbon combo pack. I love this pack. It's satiny ribbon, very nice and bright and shiny and really beautiful. So perfect for your traditional cards or projects. So I'm just adding a bit of tear and tape to the end. Adding tear and tape to ribbon is always a little bit hard because it doesn't want to come off, but because it is a belly band, I don't want it to be super tight, so just make sure that you have enough room to be able to pull that ribbon on and off, but not too much where it's too slack. So there's a bit of an art to that there. And I'll just let you know too, the old olive cardstock that's behind the mittens there, I have die cut that with the stitched rectangle dies as well, but you could just cut a rectangle there as well. I do love my dies, especially the ones that have that beautiful stitching around the edge. Stampin' Up have done an amazing job with all our stitched dies that we have on the market. So we're just adding some dimensionals there and popping those up. So the stamping blends that I used were Pool Party, Daffodil Delight, Old Olive, and I think Cherry Cobbler, or Real Red. Let me have a look. Real Red, sorry. Yeah, so some very quick and easy little boxes that you could pop together. You could certainly make them a little less intricate without the belly band, but isn't that gorgeous? That little detail on the sides that we've coloured in is really, really cute. Alright everyone, come and join in this week's challenge. I hope that you will. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd love it if you subscribed. And if you're in need of any Stampin' Up supplies, you can purchase them in my online store. If you're living in Australia, it doesn't matter where you live, you can purchase in my online store 24/7. So, and I have a wonderful program for all my customers each month. You'll get a handmade card, a bundle tutorial, and if you spend over $100, you also receive a second bundle tutorial. Alright everyone, have a wonderful day and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.